Gusto mo ma-feature sa vlog ko? Ito gani. Ito na to gani. Ang kanta. Ha? Hey guys. Ang isa din ka mix. We are here in Chinatown. Yeah. And we are currently having our snacks because we just bought last item of snacks. Oh, one. Sa ice. Halata maguro saan? To, ay sorry. Ne, gali, ne, abi ko to. Char.
Kid na naglalaro. Pero everything changed nung yung kalaro ko. Ako na lang mag-isa din sa bahay. Hindi ko alam na
Mag-try, magpa-computer.
Kaya pagi.
Okay. Very like... Hi, eyes. Eyes, tulok. Tulok, eyes.
Naka 4K na yata.
Ano na ako 4K?
Nami quality eh. Nami na quality.
Hairline.
Kaulig na to. Kaulig.
Ah, okay.
Dira, balik part, mostly buhok. Tama, ang duration of break ko. Ang makeup niya. Tama. Dahil sa kaulig.
So pretty there. Ang bisan mo sa akin.
Yeah, okay. So, ano? Thank you, baby.
Pinag.
Kaya ito lang maraming bang shop sa atin. Kapit.
Sorry. Ginawa na ako. Wala. Hugos mo na.
Anong foundation? Go for it. Anong foundation? Gaano yung skin tone mo?
Gala. Ano yun? Ay, pang baby man. Hair treatment. Lipstick. Cutex. Collagen jelly cream. Ah. Ibig sabihin sa
Wala siya. May katagan. So, bago man ako. Nivea. Mayo na tang roll-on. Oh. Are you?
Wa ay ta? Bilog Japon.
Wala na sila. Ah. Kate. Body shop. The body shop.
Nadala pa tang Boracay ito. Boracay nga kwan.
Nabalik.
Nagbalik. Ganun.
Delas balong.
Ano yun? Uy, ari na bang? Dako. Ari na.
To for 100 to 240.
Pwede?
Yes.
Mang nails ako luwa. Pwede?
100 to 240.
Yay! Ha? Kabi, ako lang ko ibang.
Ooh. Estee Lauder.
Oo.
Compare, hydrate. Paano yun sa ito?
Uy, bubang. Damo, Cutex. Damo, galit ta ba? Start ka na lang bang ng nail tech. Damo, yan.
Oh, may remover pa na yun.
Bang liwatang ako niya, Diyos. May klase ka ba?
Gaman.
Damo. Oo. Ato ba itong duwa ka?
Kung ang isa ka bang to empty na ang isa.
May gusto mo mga feature sa YouTube channel ko, Hunter. Sa mga sa 9 subscribers. Nine?
What else didn't they tell you? Okay.
Okay, let's get going. I'm gonna be late for school.
Bye guys. Go.
I am doing my nails again, just touching up. This is my current setup.
Wait, no, hey, please.
I've got,
Please,
you
look,
know,
there's a neighbor.
I got all my stuff in here and I am watching Netflix. It's The Watcher, I think. So, yep, I'm just doing my nails. I have 3 fingers left. I also did my toenails and it's kind of plain, but it's alright. I'm gonna show you the process of doing my nails. So first, I'm putting like this cleanser something. Just like that. And then next is this base coat. After the base coat, I just put it under UV. After that first step, now I'm gonna put the nail polish. I'm using this. I did my best, and this is how it turned out. I think it's okay. I'm just gonna do the rest. I'm done painting the rest of the nails, and yep, I know it looks so messy. I just don't know how to do it properly because, again, I'm using my left hand and using it is just hard. Now I'm gonna put this, the ones with the glitter, and I'm gonna add this, another glitter but in blue. Okay, umano na siya. For the last step, I'm gonna put the top coat. this is how my nail looks. I just turned the flash on and it looks freaking horrible. Oh my gosh, I mean, hindi lang i-flip it. O wala na, cute siya i-flayo. But yeah, I think I did okay.